Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about applying colours to an assembly of parts, and specifically in this case we have a sphere that is nesting inside half of a box, and we will have the sphere in one colour and we will have the box in clear. So first off, let me take a look at the materials that I have pre-assigned. So we're working with the J750 printer, and that printer has the ability for me to be using 6 different materials. So the materials I have loaded here are black, cyan, magenta, white and yellow. Now if I wish to have clear, that's not currently one of the materials that's set up in the tray, so I can go to tray materials and I can go and search through my list of materials for my VeroClear. I can go VeroClear, add that to my materials, click save. Now I can simply click on the box and then go off and choose my VeroClear material. Now if I have an assembly with a large number of components, say more than this, it could be quite complicated. I also have the ability here to check this or uncheck this box for assemble, and I can now make my assignments to all the components of the assembly individually. So I will click on the sphere and let's simply assign my VeroCyan straight to that. Can go back to assembly, and just like that my part has been assembled. Now we can't see that this is transparent currently, however if I click on the material just to validate, I can see that my VeroClear here has been highlighted. There we go, VeroClear.